Hey guys, it's Bobby from Cigars.com here, and it is October. You know what that means? It's spooky season. Ready for the scares? But you know what's not scary? Cigars of the month. So let's dive into our Cigars of the Month kit for October. First up in the kit, we have the Cavalier Tres Delincuentes Gordo Habano. Now this cigar was introduced and created because of a 90s hip hop song that the Cavalier executives heard, and they wanted to pay homage to the group that created that song. As you can see on the band here, it's got some 90s feels to it, so you know it's an awesome smoke. And go ahead and listen to the song while you're smoking it too. This cigar was produced at Cavalier's Honduran factory with fillers from the Dominican Republic, Nicaragua, and Honduras over an Ecuador Habano binder with a Habano wrapper as well. This 6 1/4 by 60 smokes for about 60 to 90 minutes, so take your time and enjoy it. Some flavor notes you may pick up are warm spices, pepper, leather, and a hint of natural tobacco sweetness. For those seeking a bit more flavor and a nice kick in their smoke, this cigar is an excellent choice. Next up, we have one of my personal favorites, the Liga Privada No. 9 Toro. These babies are really hard to find and sought after, and that's for a very good reason. As we like to say here at Cigars.com, every puff of this cigar that you take is like a little slice of heaven. But luckily for you, we've included this really hard to find cigar in your Cigars of the Month kit for October. This cigar is produced at Drew Estate's factory in Nicaragua. It consists of both Nicaraguan and Honduran filler tobacco, a binder that is Brazil Matafina over a beautiful Connecticut oily broadleaf wrapper. This cigar is on the more full-bodied side, and some flavors you may detect while smoking it is a bit of sweetness, some spicy flavors, dark fruit, leather, earthiness, and some hints of chocolate. If you're a serious cigar smoker, you must experience this beauty. Next up in the kit, we have a Toro Lover's Dream, the Avo XO Legato. This cigar is produced in the Dominican Republic with filler tobacco from both Nicaragua and the DR over a Dominican binder and a beautiful Ecuador Connecticut wrapper. The Avo XO Legato is medium-bodied in strength, and the construction is top-notch, making the burn effortless. The smoke of the cigar is creamy in character with notes of coffee, leather, pepper, and a bit of spice. The sheer quality of this cigar is why some smokers may say that this is the finest crafted Avo cigar out there. Next up, we have a cigar that is sure to please any seasoned cigar smoker, the H. Upmann 1844 Añejo Toro. This cigar comes to us from Honduras, with filler tobaccos from the Dominican Republic, Nicaragua, and Honduras over a nice broadleaf binder and an Ecuador Habano wrapper. Another fun fact about this cigar is it gets the name Añejo from the filler tobaccos that are aged 5 years. Añejo in Spanish means old or mature, so it fits perfectly with this cigar. The extra aging of the tobaccos in this cigar make for a nice medium to full-bodied smoke. Some flavor notes that you may detect while smoking the cigar is a bit of cocoa, cinnamon, and some earthiness. The 1844 Añejo has an excellent construction and an excellent flavor profile for any cigar lover to try out. Last but not least, in our kit for October, we have the Nica Rustica Shade in the Toro size. This is a new cigar from Drew Estate in the Nica Rustica line, and it's an awesome addition to any humidor. This cigar is produced in Nicaragua with filler tobaccos from the Dominican Republic, USA, and Nicaragua over a nice San Andreas binder wrapped over a beautiful Connecticut shade wrapper. While smoking the Nica Rustica Shade, some flavors you may detect is a bit of butteriness before it turns to some pepper, and then will end with a nice woodsy and earthy finish, providing a beautiful mellow to medium bodied smoke. The Nica Rustica Shade has a lot of depth to it, and it'll definitely be a memorable smoking experience for any seasoned cigar smoker or someone looking to try something new. Thanks again for watching our Cigars of the Month roundup for October. We have some awesome cigars here for you. Comment down below if you've gotten your kit already and let us know what your favorite is. Like and subscribe on the channel, and it's October, so don't forget to stay spooky.